So today we're going to try to move this ugly eyesore of a shed. It's going to be, I think, a pain in the butt, mainly because I don't know that we have the right materials, but we've got some 4x4s that we're going to use to set it on once we move it, 2x4s to act as tracks, and then we've got a bunch of these PVC pipes that will hopefully be able to roll the shed on. We'll see how this goes. So today is the day we're going to try to move this really ugly eyesore of a shed from here, which is right behind the house, and it's like the view out the back bedroom, and we're going to try to move it to the backyard. We'll see how this goes. We have a jack that's underneath the back of the shed now. We had to kind of dig it down a little bit, and my husband's going to go ahead and lower the jack, and then we're hoping that we can go ahead and shove some more of these PVC pipes underneath the house. So wish us luck. How's it going? By raising the shed with a Carjack, we were able to feed 2 PVC pipes under the middle of the shed. Then we tilted the shed back like a teeter-totter to slip a 4x4 under the shed to support it from the front. So we got the pipes underneath the shed, and we're going to go ahead and try to move it all the way back in that back corner there. Bandit, you going to help us? Once we got the shed tipped up, we could start feeding the 2x4s under the shed facing the direction we wanted to move the shed. They act like tracks. The PVC pipes are then spaced out and laid on top of the 2x4s. Hey, how are we on our track? We're going to spin it. You can see we're making slow progress pushing the shed on the PVC pipes on the 2x4 tracks. Every once in a while, we position the 4x4 into the shed door and use it as leverage to turn the shed. It was tough work until we realized, the PVC pipes were rolling parallel to the floor joist and bending slightly. As soon as we changed the PVC pipes perpendicular to the floor joist, we were able to easily push the shed across the yard. Time for a victory dance. To keep the momentum going, one person grabs the PVC pipe that pops out the back and positions it under the front. Then we just keep repeating that. As you can tell, rolling the shed to the back of the yard wasn't hard for 2 adults, a teen, and a dog as a cheerleader. Just for reference, that's where the shed was. And here's where we got it to right now. Yeah, it's getting there. Once the shed was in its new location, my assistant Brett and I worked together to get the shed leveled. After laying down a base of drainage rock, we used a combination of blocks and 4x4s to support the shed off the ground. Let's look back at this ugly Franken shed because you won't recognize it in a minute. We replaced the warped door and replaced the plexiglass bubble window. Then the shed got a makeover with some trim and fresh paint. Can you even believe this is the same shed? Oh, and we replaced that patchy privacy fence with something a little better looking, don't you think? Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.